Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. The other day I put out a video on the new software update, and one of the biggest updates that I actually like, changing the lock tone on your Tesla. And I've gotten a lot of requests like, hey, can you send me that Ironman file? Hey, can you teach me how to upload it directly into the Tesla? So I decided to make a video to help everyone find lock tones that they want to use, how to upload it directly into the Tesla, and so forth. All right, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you a website that's going to be able to download the ringtone. I'm going to show you how to convert the file, and on top of that, I am going to show you how to install it into the Tesla. All right, everybody, let's go do this. All right, so the website we're going to be going to is zedge.com. When you get into the website, what you're going to do next is you are going to click Browse. All right, so after you click the Browse, this is what you see. You can choose, wallpapers, ringtones. We're going to click on ringtones, and we are going to type in whatever ringtone you like. So for example, I've gotten a lot of requests on how to get the Iron Man ringtone. So what we're going to do real quick is we're going to type in Iron Man in 2 words. And on the right hand side, you will see a file called Iron Man 2. You can click the play button, which you'll hear the sound. After that, just click on the body of the image, and that will give you to a screen where you can actually download the file. Click on download. Usually an ad will pop up. This is, I guess, how this website makes money. And within 15 seconds, this file will automatically download directly into your computer. Now that the file is downloaded, what we can do next is we are going to change the file name from MP3 to .wave. And I have a Mac, and the Mac is super simple. All we would have to do is rename the file, and we have to rename the file anyways. It is going to be called Lock Chime, capital L O C K, capital C HIME .wav. So with Mac, you can actually change the file from MP3 to WAV without having to do a full conversion. If you have Windows, you are going to have to download a file converter. All right, so now it's all downloaded, it's all ready to go. What we're going to do next is we're going to upload this directly into a flash drive, and we're going to hop into my Tesla Model Y, and I'm going to show you how to install it and how to select it as your lock tone. All right, let's go do this. All right, so we're gonna hop into my car. I'm gonna show you how to install the sound chimes into your lock chime. All right, it is cold, it is 36. Open my window so you can hear a chime real quick. So we wanna make sure that we have our flash drive, okay? And then we are going to Toy Box. So right now it's already selected as USB. So what we're gonna really do real quick is to take the USB out. I'm not sure you heard it, but every time you make a selection, it'll play the sound outside. So you got a lot of different sounds that you can use. All right. So to install this, we're going to go directly into the glove box. I have a USB hub that you can use because I have Sentry mode, and I can attach additional accessories here. And I'm going to plug this in real quick. Okay. So I changed the tone. I originally had Iron Man, but I want to do something a little different. I'm going to click on this real quick, click on USB, and that should be it. Really, really simple. And after all is said and done, you can take your USB flash drive out. All right, put everything back in. And let's close the windows up real quick. And we're gonna wait until the door locks. Wow, that sounded pretty cool. I love how we can actually modify and change the sound of our Tesla, which makes the user experience that much better. I would love to know what you are using for your lock tone. Please leave that comment below. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for the support. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to click on subscribe and hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on great future updates. All right, everybody, I'll catch you on the road.